Okay, people. These here were already rubbed once, but I'm still going to show the process of doing the rub. What we would do is sprinkle on some of the dry rub onto the fresh ribs. Now, you can see there was a membrane. If you don't know how to take off the membrane, which is you start at one end and you pull it and you pull it, you can do what we did. We score it with a knife so that it cuts it. And this way your ribs won't curl while you're cooking them on the barbecue. Or in the oven. You can cook it in the oven. Oh, and the rub, we have Cajun, we have garlic powder, onion powder, chicken seasoning, paprika, smoked paprika, and adobo with garlic and pepper. Now those are the ones I'm using for my rub. You can see the scores. And as you can see, I trimmed off most of the fat that was too much in the back. Because in a barbecue, you'll get flares, which is like, you know, it'll burn. And trust me, today, we had a flare. And you just give it a pat and that's it. That's the whole idea of rub. If you go on the internet, you'll find hundreds of different recipes. You'll find one that you like. And they're easy to do. The only thing is, you have to watch your barbecue all the time. When you're barbecuing ribs and chicken, it'll flare sometimes. And if it flares, on charcoal it's very hard to stop a flare up. You have to take off your meat right away.